Hello everybody, and welcome back. We're continuing our look at the 2015 Manitoba Math Contest, and we're on question 2. So, it's got two parts. A, let asterisk denote an operation defined as follows. A asterisk B is equal to 2ab minus b cubed. Find the value of 4 asterisk 3 asterisk 2, and notice that the brackets here are around the 4 asterisk 3. So we're going to want to do that one first. Okay? Well, they've given us the operation. No reason not to just plug the numbers in. So I will, just so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. We get 2ab. We'll just write down the operation. Okay, and we want 4 asterisk 3 asterisk 2, well, we do what's in brackets first. So 2 times 4 times 3 minus the second one, which is 3 cubed. Okay, well, let's clean this up. So 2 times 4 is 8, times 3 is 24, minus 3 cubed is 27. Suppose we should have equal signs here. So we get minus 3 asterisk 2. Okay, but we know what this is. It's 2 times the two numbers minus the second number cubed. So we get 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6, times another 2, that's negative 12, minus 2 cubed is 8. We get our answer of negative 20. So that didn't take that long. There's very little that can be done in a question where they just throw a new operation at you. Okay? That's really all, because it's not something that you've grown up knowing. It's not something that you've seen in math class 100 times, and you've noticed patterns, recognized patterns, that sort of thing. They're throwing something brand new at you. So all they can really do is say, do this computation, solve for this variable, that sort of thing. Okay? So, not a bad question. That's 2A. We've got 2B left to go. And I think I saw a percentage sign, so I noticed a lot as I've been doing these Manitoba contests, they usually early on have a percentage style question. So the original price of an item is reduced by 20%. A month later, its reduced price is doubled. At the end of the year, it is sold in a discount sale. At what discount? Maybe that's what we have to figure. What exact percentage discount was applied if the sale price was equal to the original price? Okay. So this is sort of chasing through what's happening, the process of what's happening. So I might say something like, let P be the original price. That's not bad. But you could do X, but why bother? P price. Okay. So reduced by 20%. Oops. Don't have the zero turned into part of the percent sign. Reduced by 20%. Why, that's the same thing as just 80% of original. So the reduced price, we just got to track the price as we go. We get 80% of P, or another way to write that is 0.8P. Okay. 100% is just multiplying by 1. 80% is multiplying by 80 over 100.8. So this is our reduced price. Then we double the reduced price. So the doubled reduced price is 2 times this amount. So we get 1.6p. Okay, and then we discount it again. So we discount the new price. Let's say we take off D%. So if we reducing by, let's say reduce the new price, so that our language is consistent for whoever's reading. So reduce the new price, this 1.6p. So it's 160% of the original price at this point. So reduce it by d. This is the same as saying it is 100% minus d% of 1.6p. Okay, that's the same, because when we had reduced it by 20%, that was the same as 100% minus 20%, which is 80% of the original. Okay. And we get back to the original price. So P is 100 minus P, or minus D% over 100% times 1.6P. Well, we can divide by the P's on both sides. So we get 1 is 100 minus D over 100 times 1.6. Now 1.6, I notice we got a fraction here with the 100 minus D stuff. So I'm going to write 1.6 as a fraction. It's 8 over 5. Bring that over to the other side. We get 5/8, 100 minus D over 100. I can multiply through on both sides by 8 times 100, or 800. So we'll get 500 is 8 times 100 minus D. So that's 800 minus 8D. And then we'll get 8D is equal to 300. 2D is, divide this guy by 4, we'll get 75. D is 75 over 2, which is 37.5. And I don't really, I'll write my little sort of therefore statement up here. So the price is reduced by 37.5%. This is also the same as saying it's 62.5% of this 1.6p. That's another acceptable way to say it. But the language they used in their question, they said reduced by 20%. So what percentage discount was applied? I say in words, it's reduced by this amount. Okay? So, yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say here. We got 37.5%. We've explained it. We sort of just tracked the price as we went along. And I think that's it. So thank you for joining me for question number 2. In the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 3. So join me for that one. And if you want to, grab a copy of the contest and try it for yourself beforehand. You'd be surprised at what you can do if you just practice these contests. It's the best way to do it, really is. Okay? Thanks for watching. So long for now.